Yes guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. It's Urbexing Yorkshire. So today we're in Fleetwood, guys, in Lancashire, and we've come to have a look at the Tram storage depot. Now I don't actually know if we're going to be able to get in. It's on a big industrial estate. What is well, it's got a security barrier on it, but there's no one in it, so I don't know what the hell's going on. No idea what's going on. I mean, I thought there was security on this place and you sort of like stopping people coming in, but apparently not. The gate's all what is it, padlocked up, which is a shame. Someone did say to me, just jump over the barrier, just jump over the wall, but you're risking being caught on an enclosed premises then. I mean, you can get in some hot bit of bother. But there's quite a few derelict buildings around here anyway. That one looks like it's in use. B&M Salvage Fuels Limited, Port and Marina offices, Fleetwood, Haven Marina. Right, we don't want to go down there. Oh god, it stinks round here. So if we go down there, yeah, the chances of someone seeing us in office coming out having a go. Now I know Top Abandoned Places for Gwent Auditor, he's done this place. No idea how he got in. Well, there's only a couple anywhere. There's literally 3. That's it. That's it, there's just 3. 3 trams. Be nice just to get in and have a look. I think I've actually clocked an opening round back as well. Take the free bus for you. Oh, it's a Blackpool Zoo. It's a Blackpool Zoo tram. Yeah. Some stinks around here, but in some serious need of some renovations. The thing is, if you start jumping over fences and stuff, you're liable to get yourself in a bit of trouble. So I'm just going to take some pictures and bring it back to you. Right, so, oh, this is actually open, look. It's actually open. Let's go in and have a look. There we can't get into the Tram graveyard, so let's have a look and see what this place is. I literally went round that corner, clocked that guy in van, and jumped straight back, came straight back round. I think it's security. Let's make his way down to offices. Might as well go check them out, haven't we? So as you can see, guys, you've got all the boats and stuff, little boats and all that jazz down here. I have to walk down to the marina office. I'm going to pick it back up when I get down there, guys. Well, I'm down at the marina office, guys. This is oh look, Boatshed Lancashire. So they've got stuff for sale here. 280,000 quid. Not sure I'd pay that for that. £25,000, that's more like it. 11,000. Wow, 80 grand for a barge. Yeah, so this is something different anyway. It's not something you it's not something you really see on Urbexing Yorkshire. Now, so far so good. We've had no trouble at all. It was actually, it were these offices I wanted to come to see if any of them were open. No, that one's locked as well. So I'll just zoom in on that boat there. That one is actually sinking. It's got water coming over it. It's actually sinking down. And there's a lot of cars in here, but there don't seem to be any sign of life. I've seen a couple of geezers in another section. I don't know who they are. So what we're going to do is walk back right to the top of here, and see what the crack is. I'll have a look at these boats first. Got these boats here. Now this is the second docks I've come to. The first docks I ever went to were at Hull, and we had quite an interaction with security there. Oh, the lifeboats here, look. Yeah, we had quite an interaction with security. But this one's going on the Urbexing Yorkshire channel. That's quite impressive, that. Hello?
Hi.
Hiya, mate, you alright? How are you doing? Are you security?
No, I'm working here.
Oh, do you work here?
Yeah.
I've been down to offices, mate, but they're all shut.
No, I was in, I saw you walk past.
Oh, you ain't? Because doors were locked.
No, the doors are open.
What?
The doors on this side are shut, the doors on the other side.
On the marina?
Yeah, they were open.
Is it push or pull?
Push.
I pulled them.
Yeah, and I saw you on CCTV.
Yeah, I pulled them and then I thought, shit, just realised what day it is. It's Bank Holiday Monday. I thought, I bet there's no one here.
Yeah.
Alright, well, yeah, in that case, I'm glad you're here. So the initial reason why I've come here today was to have a look at the old trams. You know, the Blackpool trams.
Yes.
Now, I'm a bit...
To turn that off because it's private property and security reasons.
Well, what it is I'm filming for my evidence. Because I make videos for YouTube.
Yeah.
So basically, if I turn my camera off, all could get
well,
said.
it's private property.
Yeah, I understand that, but I'm just getting to that. Now, your tram shed, it's all sealed up and locked up.
Yeah.
So I ain't got to start jumping over gates and barriers because that would be unlawful.
Yeah.
That'd be classed as being found on an enclosed premises, which you can get nicked for. Where I am now, it's all publicly accessible, even through the
gates have got locks for the boat owners to get through.
It's open?
Yes, they're open during the day.
All right.
And at 5 o'clock when I go home, I close them.
Oh dear.
Yes.
Oh well, that's fine, mate. That's fine. Obviously, I've walked through an open gate, so it's implied right of access.
But the police have been called because...
Yeah, that's fine.
Right, that's
Section 33 of Criminal Justice Act, mate, 1972.
Yeah.
But police will tell you when... I wish you'd have spoke to me before you rang them.
Well, like I say, I saw you with a camera.
Yeah, yeah.
So
well, I will...
know what you were doing. So...
It's all right, I'll leave, but can I ask just one request? Can I just get one side shot of this lifeboat, a picture?
Yeah.
And when I leave, you can walk me out if you want.
Yeah, you can do that.
I don't want to be unreasonable.
But like I say, we're obviously security.
Yeah, that's fine.
Boat owners.
Yeah, no problem. No problem. Is this still in use?
I couldn't tell you. I don't know if it's been swapped with one of the newer class.
Right.
Or if that's now
Fantastic.
a spur, if you know what I mean.
Right, so which gate is it we're going through, mate? Back through this one here?
Back through this one, yeah.
No problem.
Like I say, usually at 5 o'clock I shut the gates and it's all locked up then.
Who phoned the police?
I did because I saw you're walking around.
Oh, you should have come and spoke to me, mate.
Yeah.
You know,
and
I don't bite.
No. And it was just that obviously with cameras and what have you, we were...
I mean, what you should have done, I'll just give you a bit of advice. You should have watched me on the camera and see what I was doing, because when I left here I was heading back out. Right. So obviously if you don't see me trying to climb over any fences or break into anywhere, there's no issue, is there?
No.
But what I will tell you, now, I don't want to patronise you, I don't know if you already know this, but the port main gate, you can just walk straight through it, it's not manned.
No, it's not manned during the day.
So basically, that's what's called an implied right of access. So if we come in, technically, we are not trespassing. Yes, believe it or not.
Yeah.
Until asked to leave.
Right.
Now you've asked me to leave, and I've kindly agreed to that.
Yeah.
So I mean, if the police come, you can tell them I've been reasonable and there's no issues.
Yeah.
This is why I never turn my camera off, because people have an habit. I'm not saying you, because you sound like a nice geezer, but people have an habit of making lies up.
Oh yeah.
So what
that's
it's fine. What I do, mate, is I just film for my evidence, and then if coppers say it's said this, I can, well, play it back to you, mate.
Yeah. Like I said, I just saw you walk around the office. I thought, by the time I got out, you were over here.
Yeah, I do apologise. I didn't realise.
No.
I didn't realise it were a push. I tried pulling it and I thought, oh shit, it's bank holiday Monday.
Yeah.
You're locked.
Yeah. Been here all day.
And I'm only in area for today.
Right.
Well, I've been to Blackpool a million times, but I'm in area today because I've been to see a friend, so I thought I'll come up and look at these trams. I've got a couple of pictures, but like I said, mate, I'm not going to start jumping over fences and stuff.
Trams, but,
most of them have gone.
They've gone, they've sold them.
Yeah. No problem.
Yep.
Well, do you want me to go now, or? I mean, you can go back.
I'm going back.
I'm heading straight out, mate. Don't worry about that.
Yeah, that's fine.
What's your name, just for, in case they ask if I've spoken to anyone?
Who? There's
Please.
no one at the gate.
Please.
Oh, Phil Smith.
Phil Smith, because police are coming out there.
They have been wrong because obviously I didn't know who you were.
Right, no problem.
Okay,
Thank you, Phil.
Thank you.
All right, cheers, pal. Yeah, so we've managed to get a brief look at the trams without actually I thought I'd do it a little bit different, you see, because I've literally just got off or got rid of an unlawful police investigation and bail, so I don't really want to be getting myself in any more trouble. Obviously it's a built up area. If there were an all-in fence, not a problem, I'd have been in there, but I'm not going to start climbing. Like he said, there's cameras, but we've managed to have a look at them. We've got a glimpse of these. Now these are all private boats. They open doors every day, shut them at 5 there for the boat owners. All them down there will be boat owners as well. And then I've forgotten what it's called now. The lifeboat, let me get my phone. Or RNL or something like that. Let's have a look what it says on the side. RNLB lifeboats. Now the lifeboat section, the department, the office is actually down in Blackpool, opposite the tower, so it's just on the central area of the pier. And when I did the Blackpool live, I managed to get a little bit of that on camera. There are boats and stuff in there, so that might be just one what's out of action or waiting to get repaired. But yeah, I mean, it's not been a bad video. Something a little bit different. What I'll probably do is I'll probably put this video on both my channels, so Auditing Yorkshire and Urbexing Yorkshire, because a lot of people who are subscribed on AY don't watch UY, and some people who are subscribed on UY don't watch AY. Does that make sense? So this way it gives an even keel so everybody can watch it. Don't think police will turn up, to be honest. I'm going to bring it back to you when we get back onto the main road. Let's get a quick last look at the trams on his way out. Unfortunately we couldn't get in to have a look inside them, but it is what it is. It used to be a lot more, but like the guy said down there, most of them have been sold. So I know when Top Abandoned Places came here, aka the Gwent Auditor, were a hell of a lot more than just free. But yeah, it's when you start climbing when when you've got an issue, sort of thing, and then you're going to struggle getting back out as well then. Yeah, so we're back at the front gates, guys. So this is actually security and information, and there's nobody in here. Nobody at all. No sign of police. Not that I'm right bothered about them, to be honest. And yeah, this is it. Port of Fleetwood, main entrance. Get a quick picture of this. There we go. Unfortunately, we wasn't able to get in and see the trams, but I am going to an abandoned police station now. So I'm going to check that out and see if we can get in there, see if we have any better luck. The free lights, got a boozer. Still no sign of any cops. What I think I'm going to do, guys, is wrap it up. Because I doubt we'll even come. There's a man with a camera, I doubt we'll even come. So, if you enjoyed this video, guys, you know what to do. Please like, comment and subscribe. Please subscribe if you're not already. It's free. Just click that button. Hit that notification bell for future and upcoming content. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye for now.